Salut and welcome to this beginner-friendly French lesson. Today we are learning 25 easy two-word French phrases to kickstart your French speaking skill. I'll say the phrase, give you the English meaning and then we'll help you pronounce it. So let's start the video. Make sure to repeat every French phrase after me. Super cool, pro cool, pro cool, very polite, très poli, très poli, quickly done, vite fait, vite fait, misunderstood, mal compris, mal compris, false start, au départ, au départ, late, en retard, en retard. That's a shame, c'est dommage, c'est dommage. It's better, c'est mieux, c'est mieux. Are you hungry? T'as faim? T'as faim? Are you thirsty? T'as soif? T'as soif? Are you cold? T'as froid? T'as froid? Are you hot? T'as chaud? T'as chaud? Not now. Pas maintenant. Pas maintenant. Be careful. Fais gaffe. Fais gaffe. Not happy. Pas content. Pas content. Not sad. Pas triste. Pas triste. Go away. Va-t'en. Va-t'en. Well done. Bien fait. Bien fait. Really good. Vraiment bien. Vraiment bien. Rude. Malpoli. Malpoli. Be good. Sois bon. Sois bon. Come see. Viens voir. Viens voir. Stay there. Reste là. Reste là. Stay here. Reste ici. Reste ici. Without doubt. Sans doute. Sans doute. Great job, everyone. Try repeating these phrases daily to build your confidence in speaking French. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching. À bientôt.